Yesterday I reflected on the tragic death of Charlie Kirk, gunned down during what should have been a moment of free speech and debate. His loss shook the country, and it reminded us how far we've drifted from civil disagreement. But here's the thing. History shows us that killing the messenger never kills the message. The Romans crucified Christ, thinking they'd stamp out his teachings. Instead, his words traveled farther and lasted longer than Rome itself. Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated, but his civil rights movement surged ahead with even greater force. Abraham Lincoln was murdered, yet the cause of union and freedom only grew stronger. And now Charlie Kirk. Whether you agree with him or not, the reality is clear. Silencing someone through violence doesn't silence the movement. It amplifies it. It gives the message new life, turns it into a rallying point, and often unites even those who were once divided. Violence is a megaphone, not a muzzle. The irony is sharp. Violence is supposed to intimidate. Instead, it elevates. It transforms individuals into symbols, and symbols are far more powerful than voices alone. Ideas, once planted, don't die with the person who speaks them. If anything, they spread faster, carried by the outrage, the mourning, and the determination of those left behind. The lesson we keep ignoring. How many times must history shout this lesson before we hear it? Suppression breeds resistance. Murder breeds movements. The only real way to confront ideas is with better ideas, not with bullets, not with brutality, and not with bloodshed. Moving forward, if America is going to survive its current divisions, we have to stop confusing destruction with victory. Violence will never be the answer. Debate, dialogue, and even disagreement, those are the lifelines of democracy. Stay safe, stay secure, and realize the truth is that you can kill a man, but you cannot kill an idea. Thanks for tuning in. Keep praying for Charlie's family and our nation's healing, and get involved, my friends.